This isn't a video, but we'll just make it into a video. Okay.
Hi.
Good. So, how's your guys' long weekend been?
Awesome? No, that's good.
Yeah.
Ours is really awesome.
Yeah. Just been, eating bacon.
It's not funny.
Yeah, Vanessa.
Highlight.
Okay, and we're mailing Jordan Rogers and Kimmy here and Denise.
And can you please tell us, Mitchell, why you're being so
Mitchell,
retarded?
why are you being such a dickhead? Excuse my language, guys. I'm really sorry. Sorry to the little kids out there.
Oh, sorry. My mum's in the shower right now. That's why I'm over
Still.
here.
Oh my god.
Sorry,
I'm sorry. I'm not a bitch. Am I a bitch? I'm not a bitch.
I'm a bitch. I know I'm a
This
bitch.
one's a bitch, but I'm not a bitch.
Cause like ruff, you know.
Dog. I pointed to myself.
I'm like,
Okay.
no, we're not gonna go.
TTYL.
TTYL.
Toodles.
Toodles. Piddles. Everywhere in the